Okay, folks, so we're going to get started. So today's lecture, we're going to be covering a variety of topics related to regular expressions, their use, which will be of help for your assignment 1, which has just been released, as well as for lab 5, which is going to have a heavy component of regular expressions. So we're going to be reversing some things here in class today that you're going to be able to go on and apply later today for some of you, or on Thursday for others. A couple of things I want to note. The first thing is assignment 1 is due on the 19th, so that's Saturday, 2 weeks from now. And I'd suggest that you get started on that. The problems on that assignment are modest in scale, but it's good to be able to try to encounter them as quickly as possible in case there's any questions or clarification, etc. So that's assignment 1. Lab 5, I've also just released this morning. Now, I actually went through a few iterations of it. I got some feedback from the TAs and realized there were some things that weren't fully clear. So I did update it after the initial release this morning. It's now fixed and finalized, and it has been for some time. But if you downloaded it before this class, I would suggest that before starting the lab, you get the latest version. Okay? I don't anticipate changing it again. It's just in case you got it before the latest change, it's very close if you get the latest version of it. Okay? So I would like you to download the updated PDF in class here for the lab. Now there was a question about lab solutions. I actually do have formal solutions to many of the problems, but because I will be not teaching all versions of this course, it may be that someone else will teach it next time. I want to check with them to make sure that public release is fine, that it won't inconvenience them. Lab solutions can be seen in my office during office hours. You'll recall I have office hours after each class. Today, for example, Thursday. And you're welcome to come by and see lab solutions there, discuss them, all sorts of stuff. Those office hours have been underutilized. They've been utilized some in a limited way. And you can come by if you'd like to talk about any of these, or if you'd like to see solutions. Okay? So as I say, I have solutions for many of the problems. If I don't have a solution, we'll do it right there. I'll give you a solution. Okay, another issue I forgot to mention for Lab 5. Normally the labs are due late Thursday, just before midnight on Thursday. This week, because the lab is going to have quite a bit of material that's going to be the focus of coverage on Thursday. This is material involving testing. I am pushing back the timing for the lab turn-in until Saturday, just before midnight. Okay, so instead of Thursday, we're going to push it back 2 days to Saturday. So that will give you a bit of extra time to work on it following the Thursday lecture. Okay? And that shouldn't dissuade those of you at the lab today from going. You will probably be able to do all of the lab, but certainly problem 4 will have, it'll be assisted by some topics we'll be talking about on Thursday, some things may be clarified. So I suggest you go and give it a shot. You can certainly work through all the first 3 problems, no problem. So don't let it dissuade you from going to lab today. Okay? But I am giving that extra time on Saturday, through Saturday, before midnight, for you to work on that. Okay? Just to give you a little bit of extra latitude. Okay, so those are all the announcements for